Have you ever stuck your hand out of a car window while it was moving fast? You probably felt the wind pushing against your hand, right? That simple feeling actually explains a big part of how airplanes fly. Airplanes fly thanks to four main forces: lift, weight, drag, and thrust. When these forces work together, airplanes can lift off, stay in the air, and move forward. Let's break down these four forces one by one. First up is weight. Airplanes are heavy, really heavy. They can weigh from a few hundred to over 500,000 kilograms. That weight comes from the body, wings, fuel, passengers, and cargo. Gravity pulls all that weight down toward the earth. To keep the plane in the air, we need a force that works against gravity. That force is called lift. Lift is what keeps an airplane from falling. So, how does a plane create lift? The wings are designed in a special shape called an airfoil. The top part of the wing is curved and the bottom is flatter. As the plane moves, air flows faster over the top of the wing than under it. Faster air on top means lower pressure. Slower air underneath means higher pressure. This pressure difference pushes the plane upward. That's lift. Now let's talk about drag. Drag is the air pushing back against the plane as it moves forward. It's like when you try to run in water, the faster you go, the harder it pushes back. Air does the same thing to a plane. To fight against drag, we need thrust. Thrust is the forward force that moves the plane through the air. Airplanes create thrust using engines. Most commercial planes use jet engines that blow air out the back really fast. This pushes the plane forward. Another example of Newton's third law: action and reaction. The more powerful the engine, the more thrust the plane can get. That's why some planes have multiple engines, usually placed under the wings. Military planes may have adjustable engines to change direction mid flight. Now, steering and stability also matter in flight. The tail section, including the rudder and tail wings, helps control direction and balance. Inside the plane, many mechanical and electronic systems work together smoothly. All these parts, engines, wings, tail, and systems, play a role in stable, safe flight. It's a perfect balance of science, design, and technology. And thanks to these forces and systems, flying becomes possible and safe. So the next time you're on a flight, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the science that keeps you in the sky.